We're here at the WIC testing out the new Harley LiveWire.
I'm really super excited to ride it, and I can't wait to test it out.
I've never been on an electric bike, so to me it's kind of a little nerve-wracking, but in a fun way.
It's nice to see somebody like Harley-Davidson coming up with something new and high-tech.
I'm about to go test ride this crazy machine. Whew, this bike is really fun to ride. It's so much more powerful than I thought it was going to be.
Feeling that power instantly available is pretty cool.
Anytime you turn that throttle, it goes off like a rocket.
It was really great through the corners. The torque was there to pull me right through them, and the traction always held. It was actually a really fun ride.
I don't think I've ever been in anything that goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, but it's with the exception of a roller coaster or something. I mean, it's pretty impressive.
You know, you don't have to concentrate on shifting or anything. You just keep going and going and going.
This just makes it so you can just think about riding and you don't have to worry about all that stuff.
It's definitely a lot of fun. I think I might go out again.
Riding a new bike's always great, but this is a step above. It's the future for sure.